Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you and show you how to stop a runny nose instantly. I'll be going over some easy home remedies that you can use to stop your runny nose. Let's get right into the video. Number one is drink a warm drink. Believe it or not, drinking a warm drink actually sends signals to your body that allow your body to feel more comfortable and fight that runny nose, okay? It warms up your body temperature so that your nose runs less. We all know that when you get cold, your nose runs. So to fight that and counteract that, if you drink a warm drink, your nose should stop running or run less. Number two, blow your nose. You want to get a napkin and blow your nose. Both sides. I know that was gross, but let's just face it. That's what it is. Blow your nose. Your nose is running because your body temperature is cold. You might be sick, but really it's because there's boogers in there. By blowing your nose consistently and constantly, you're going to actually allow it to run less by removing the snot from your nose. Number three is massage the sides of your nose. So you want to take either both hands or just, two fingers on one hand, and you want to massage the sides of your nose. Now what this is going to do is this is actually going to make your nose run even more, but it's going to actually force all of the boogers out of your nose so that it runs less in the future. So massage your nose so that you get it all out of there basically. Number four is have a steam shower. So when you warm your body up, your nose runs less. Your nose might be running because you're cold, like I said before. Having a steam shower accomplishes two things. Not just, a steam shower is just a nice warm shower where there's just a little bit of steam being produced in the shower area, which most showers are going to be warm enough to do that with the regular shower temperatures that you probably use. It's going to steam your nostrils, which will help clear out your sinuses, but it's also going to warm up your body, which will help stop your nose from running. Number five is eat an immuno-boosting food. Now, your nose is running probably because your immune system is down right now, probably because you might partially be sick, okay? So you want to eat an immuno-boosting food, something like salmon, eggs, nuts, or berries. Those all have immuno-boosting properties. And what I can also recommend in addition for number five to tag onto it is drink a lot of water. And if you do all of those things, together, so drink a warm drink, then blow your nose, massage the sides of your nose, have a steam shower, and then eat some immuno-boosting foods. If you do those things together, your nose should stop running or run much less rather quickly, faster than you can have imagined, okay? And hopefully your body's able to fight the cold, and then you don't have to worry about a runny nose anymore. That said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.